Hello friends, my name is Mani and welcome with RK Overseas Education. Today I'm here in Rheinwald University, Hochschule, and it's almost 7 o'clock and it's really dark here, and I would be sharing you the list of the universities, the list of the courses which are here in English program for bachelors and for masters, and they are amazing courses. You can see in my other videos the students who are already studying over here. They review their about the campus, about the facilities they're providing in the other videos of mine, and in this video you're gonna see the deadline. So please watch this video up till end. If you have any question related to Germany, related to Europe, we would be very happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.